Sumailalim pala sa panibagong operasyon si Divine Diva Shasha Padilla. Anya, isang mapa ng mga surgical battle ang pinagdaanan ng kanyang katawan. Laparoscopic surgery na pinagawa niya sa Singapore. Pinanganak na raw siyang may mega ureter. For many years, I have endless battles with UTI and taking oral antibiotics became routine. They had no proper machine in the Philippines while I was growing up, and doctors only saw my real problem in 2007. So my first surgery to correct this problem was 17 years ago. Right after filming Shasha Saturna in 2007, I underwent open surgery to finally correct my left ureter. It was tapered and reinserted in my bladder. Anya sa isang post habang na-hospital bed siya sa Singapore. Pero noong nakaraang taon, mas malala na raw ang infeksyon na nararanasan niya at mas mahirap gamutin. I went to the US in January but was advised not to have surgery. I was disappointed because I didn't know what to do about my problem. I then thought of Singapore since I heard of people going here for their medical needs. Pag-alala niya pa. They told me they could do laparoscopic surgery to correct my problem. We set a date and now I'm still in hospital recuperating. I'm glad they didn't open me up. And of course, my case wasn't uneasy once since I was already operated on before. And there are scar tissues to deal with. Dr. Bang said that surgery was straightforward. They didn't perform a bore flap as planned. Part of the ureter was cut and reinserted in my bladder. And I have 6 new holes from the laparoscopic surgery. Anya pa sa kanyang naranasan. So I'll be taking it easy for this month, and the next then, I'll see you when I promote my new album. Bahagi ng kanyang mahabang post. My body is a map of all the surgical battles it's been through. This is my 3rd surgery with regard to the left side of my kidney. In 2012, after Dolphy died, I had a growth taken out, so a partial nephrectomy was performed on my left kidney. Anya pa. Umaasa si Shasha na soon ay makakabalik na siya sa mga dati niyang ginagawa. By the grace of God, I pray that it continues to function so that I may be healthier. I can wait to be doing my normal routine, like playing badminton with Conrad in the mornings. I will miss our ASAP cycle for September, and can wait to rejoin them in October or November, and for my anniversary concert to finally push through. We move it to November 29. So I'll be taking it easy for this month, and the next then, I'll see you when I promote my new album. We have exciting new songs we can wait for you to hear. To those reading this, kindly say a prayer that everything will be alright, and that I will have a quick recovery. Binahan naman siya ng mga get well messages.